PDF stands for Adobe Portable Document Format. Your professors may use PDF files for syllabus, notes, assignments, or articles. To view or print a PDF file, you will need to have Adobe Reader installed to your computer. You will go to get.adobe.com/reader to download a free version of Adobe Reader. This tutorial shows you how to print or save a PDF file. First, you will navigate to the page or the folder where the PDF file is located. In this example, you click on Syllabus and Overview link on the course menu, and then click on the Syllabus link. The Adobe Reader will launch and open the file. You may need to scroll down to view the entire file. To print, click on the print icon on the Adobe Toolbar. Click on OK to confirm. To save the file, click on Save icon on the Adobe Toolbar. Locate a folder where you would like to save the file. Give a name. Click on Save. To open the Adobe file you just saved to your computer, minimize the Blackboard window, locate the file folder and the file. Double-click on the file to open.